Number one, as far as count 5 is concerned, you are fined to 400,000 rands or 24 months imprisonment. That is now the pointing of the toy gun or that was likely to lead the person to believe it was a firearm. As far as count 6 is concerned, that's the immigration law, 49, section 49(1)(a. You are fined 200,000 rands or 18 months imprisonment. It is also ordered that you be deported. You will be escorted by the investigating officer who is here at court today and who must be complimented for that. It's not every day that we encounter that in the regional courts anymore. It's going to be a merciful sentence. As I said, mercy is not model and sympathy. As far as count 1 is concerned, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. Count 2, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. Count 3, you are sentenced to 3 years imprisonment. Count 4, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. The court orders that all the sentences be served concurrently. It is further ordered that you be deported once the sentences are served. Do you all understand?